special hello to you that's watching this video. So today I'm going to make the shoes for her, but before I do that, I'm actually going to show you quickly something but you can do on the jacket as well, as if just more straight, cut it now straight through. So if you put the two sides on each other, you can actually just round the corner off here by the neck. You know, there's no need to do it, but just want to add it, maybe get a different style or something. And you just round off the corners, see, like that. So there's a little jacket back on. Okay, I'm telling you, this shoes was not easy. I struggled. I tried different ways, and then I figured it out. I came with this actually very fast and easy, quick way to make shoes for this little girl, because she's her feet is so small. So I actually had it's tablets that you use to hold this. Like this is very small, so it was actually it's perfect. Foot fit perfect inside this little as you can see there, it fits perfectly inside the little tablet holder. But please just keep in mind, if you have and you take the pills out, throw it down the sink or the basin, or flush it down your toilet. Please don't throw pills in a dustbin or lay somewhere where anyone else can get hold of it, because it can be very dangerous. So yeah, I just cut out this little tablet holder, and then just cut out as close as possible around the container or holder or what. Okay, so then you can see the foot fits perfect inside the little container. So you just keep a foot in there, other one out of the way, little foot in there, and you use your material. I chose orange now, of course, to fit in with the outfit, and just cut it like around on the stretchy side. Just cut it a bit round, and you place it around the foot and stretch as stiff as you can around the foot, around that little container, and you just hold it with your hand there and open the underneath the foot and just hot glue, but try not to take too much because that plastic melts quickly, and just put it a little bit over and at the back, and before it dries just close it and press it down around that little container, and then obviously a foot. Okay, sorry, I don't know what happened there. My camera just went dead, and but all what I did after I just put the glue firmly, I just took the scissors and I cut it as close as possible to where the glue was flat. And there you've got the little shoes. Just open this one. So it's actually, at the end of the day, so easy to make this little shoes for the little doll, if you have such small containers, tablet holders, containers, whatever you call it. Just open it a bit. And what's wrong with this one now? And there you go. There she's got now a whole outfit that she's got with her shoes, everything. I'll say at last. So yeah, it's the shoes was a struggle, but I figured it out, and these are little shoes. I also make well, for this outfit that I made previously, also there's the little hat. Now there's a hat, little outfit. I also make some pink on the same way with fleece. I just used fleece. I made some pink shoes as well, and then this shoes will actually fit with this as well, because that doesn't have feet. So yeah, there it is. She's got her shoes now. So yeah, she got the little outfits now with her shoes, and then that's all for now. So there is something else I'm going to make. I wanted to start to make that from the beginning. In the next video, I'm going to make a little onesie. Everyone needs a onesie. So yeah. Until next time, bye.